How to make booklet in Google Docs. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to guide you on how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. So in order to make booklet in Google Docs, first of all, open up your uh, Word document and just go ahead and scroll down and look out for page setup after you open up your Google document. So once you open it up, you just need to go ahead and look out for this top, bottom, left, and right, and you need to put in this value. So make the top 0.5, bottom 0.5, left and right 0.5. After that is done, click on OK, and it should basically save up the changes like this. And once that is done, in order to look out for the format, look out for this format and look out for this option of columns right here, and click on more options from columns. And after click on more options, you're going to make the number of columns. You can find this number of columns at the top, the one with the one, and you have spacing. So you're going to just drop this number of columns right here, and you're going to make the value of number of columns too. So just go ahead and drop it down and then make it 2. And this line between columns, you need to have this option check marked. And click on apply. After that is done, a line appears on your screen. So in order to look out for the line, you just need to go ahead and look out for this insert option again and look for this option. Scroll down and look for break and look for this column break. And there you go, a line has been created. In this way, you can just go ahead and create up a booklet. So you can just go ahead and type in your booklet details right here, and that is it. So that is how you make booklets in Google Docs. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.